In today's video, we're going to be seeing how the Galaxy S25 FE handles gaming. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. We have the brand new Galaxy S25 FE, and I've had this for a little bit over a week now. And of course, you guys know the internal specs on this. If you don't, it has the Exynos 2400 processor. This is the same processor that was actually in the flagship Galaxy S24. We also have 8 gigabytes of RAM, either 128, 256, or 512 gigabytes of internal storage. So we have some decent specifications in here to essentially play every single game on the Play Store. I do have a couple games right here I do want to test, however. That is Asphalt 8 and of course Call of Duty Mobile. So we're going to go ahead and test these out and see how these fare. Of course, we're going to try these on the maximum graphics possible. First and foremost, let's go ahead and take a look at Asphalt Legends. Alright everyone, so as you guys can see, for our graphic quality, we're going to be set on high quality. Depth of field, we're going to go ahead and set that to high as well. We're going to have bloom on high, we're going to have motion blur on high, and shadow resolution on very high. So all of our stuff is going to be on high. We're going to go ahead and click OK, and we're going to see how this looks and runs. Alright, so runs perfectly fine. Speakers sound great on this as well. We have stereo speakers on here. We have some decent bass, very, very loud speakers. So yeah, this game's going to run perfectly fine. Of course, this isn't one of the most graphic intensive games out there, but we're going to get into something a little bit higher in a second. But Asphalt Legends is of course going to perform very, very well at all the highest graphical settings. Alright everyone, so next up is Call of Duty Mobile, and of course for our graphical settings we have very high, and of course our frame rate is going to be set to max. So let's go ahead and see how this runs. Everything looks loaded in very well. Graphics look good as well. Nothing seems to be glitching either. Okay. Reloading, 60 FPS looks great as well. Let's go ahead and trout these kill streaks real quick.
Hunter killer drone deployed. Friendly predator.
Nice.
Target down. Enemy contact. UAV recon ready for deployment. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed. Targets in sight!
All right, let's go ahead and check out this sniper rifle right here.
Enemy down. Contact with enemy. Target down.
All right, so Call of Duty Mobile works totally fine. There is one thing, however, the back of the phone is emitting some heat. So definitely look out for that, especially with long gameplay sessions. This phone may heat up on you. The Exynos 2400 processor has been one of those processors to heat up a little bit while gaming. But yeah, I did notice a little bit of heating with this phone. Other than that, though, you know, those games ran perfectly well. And of course, for more graphic intensive games like Genshin Impact and stuff like that, you are going to be able to run those at the highest graphical qualities possible, of course. But yeah, that was the Galaxy S25 FE. This processor inside of here is going to be able to run pretty much anything that you throw at it. And of course, regular day-to-day use like having multiple windows open, you know, having things downloading in the background or processing. This phone is going to be able to handle it all. And once again, this was the same flagship processor that we saw in the Galaxy S24. So this is definitely going to be one of those processors that is going to essentially feel like a flagship phone for the majority of people out there. And gaming is no different. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. This has been Safal from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.